MTD push stock campaign, and today we're at Brown and Holmes in Tamworth. They've just invested in the latest DMG Mori 75 DMU monoblock. Now, the purpose of this push stock campaign is for the Fresmac Arnold vice, which you can see on the machine bed here. This is a fantastic product, work holding solution that really maximises efficiency and productivity within the machine. For example, this particular model is 125mm wide with a 250 internal millimetre capacity, and it's holding components such as this, which are 500mm long. They're capable of holding any material, no matter how hard, and you've got no deflection with an internal cam system. I caught up with Mark Hyde earlier, who tells us a little bit more about this particular work holding solution available from Brown and Holmes, but there's some real good offers at the minute to support industry. Let's go over and speak to Mark. Now, we've had an opportunity to look at some of the components that you've been making this morning, and you're using the Fresmac Arnold work holding solution, the centric gripper. Can you tell us how this has benefited your process?
Okay, so fundamentally we went with the Fresmac Arnold for the self-centering aspect and the height. So a lot of the parts being 5-axis, you get the table over at 90 degrees. For every 5-axis machinist, and I'm sure they can relate, when you're coming down close to the table with the back of the spindle that you can't see, we need to have confidence that we've got work holding clear of the table to be able to get down to the not so nice areas on the parts that we're working on. Most companies, they offer similar solutions, but they tend to be a build-up of other bits of work holding, and then the vice is clamped on top. In this particular instance, the vice is bolted straight to the bed, and we've just got extended vice jaws that are mounted to that vice. So it gives us, I believe, more rigidity, self-centering. So we've got a centre bung in the centre of the table. We've located it on there. Repeats every time to within 5 microns. We've tested that. We've measured it. It's a great piece of kit.
So it gives you the accuracy, it gives you the rigidity. I would imagine it dampens any vibration. Now, with the different jaw options, does it give you the flexibility and the modular aspect that you require for the type of work that you do?
Yeah, so the jaws can be changed, and they've got a variation of jaws available, both physical hard jaws and then facing jaws as well. So they've got a jaw set that have got multi-bites in them, lock bites in them, etc., etc. And they've also got varying heights of jaws as well.
Mark, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.